Want to chat with anyone in the world without worrying about language barriers? Imagine translating your WhatsApp messages instantly into over 100 languages right inside your chat window. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Let's dive in with Lang Translator for WhatsApp. Chapter 1, Installing Lang Translator Extension. Open your browser and go to the Lang Translator website. I'll drop the link in the description below. Click on Translators. Select Translator for WhatsApp. Find and click on Translator for WhatsApp. Now click on Download Extension. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, make sure you pin the extension next to your address bar so it's easy to access. Chapter 2, One-Click Translation. Now let's translate our WhatsApp messages in just one click. Open WhatsApp Web and start a chat. Select the text you want to translate and click the Lang Translator icon on the side. Instantly, you'll see the message translated into your chosen language. No copy-pasting needed. Chapter 3, Detect any language automatically. One of the coolest features is automatic language detection. If you're not sure what language a message is written in, simply paste it into Lang Translator. It will detect the language for you automatically by clicking on the icon next to chat bar. Chapter 4, Reply in the same language. Let's say someone sends you a message in Spanish and you want to reply in Spanish too. Lang Translator lets you write your reply and instantly translate it. Click on the Lang Translator icon in the bottom. Change language to Spanish by clicking on the icon next to chat bar. It automatically changes to Spanish. Perfect for smooth conversations without awkward language gaps. Chapter 5, Auto Translate WhatsApp Chats. This is a game changer for chatting with people in other languages. Turn on the auto translate feature, but now is possible if you have premium version. From there, as you type your messages, Lang Translator automatically translates your text in real time. You keep chatting as normal, Lang Translator handles the rest. And that's how you can translate your WhatsApp messages into over 100 languages with Lang Translator. No more language barriers, just smooth global conversations anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.